two methods to delete a key in a dictionary. The first one is to call del. So we have this dictionary. I'm going to copy the code and paste it on my Python file. I have this dictionary has these three keys, brand, model, and year. To delete the key, I'm going to simply use del on the key I want to delete, the model, for example. Now I'm running the code and see the result. We can see here that the brand and year remained, but the model key disappeared because it was deleted. The second method is to use pop, which is actually a dictionary method. So here, instead of saying del, I'm going to call pop, mydict.pop, on the key model. And what's interesting with this pop method is that I can recuperate the value corresponding to the deleted key. For example, here I'm going to print the value and then print the dictionary, mydict, to see if the value was really deleted. You can see clearly that the key and its value were deleted, but I was able to recuperate the value. Another interesting thing about the pop method is that you can specify a default value that the method can return in case the key is not found. So I can say here, for example, instead of delete model, I'm going to say delete models with an S, and here say just if the models doesn't exist, recuperate this value, default value. So now I'm going to run the code again and see here it returned default value because model with an S doesn't exist in the list of keys of the dictionary, but the dictionary remained the same. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.